Imagine opening a website for free, right? That's boring. Why not just get paid? Make $50 to $100 every hour just by testing different websites. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you 5 different websites that will pay you for just opening your website, for just testing different websites of different companies, and you make some cool cash for yourself. If you're new here, do well to like, do well to share, do well to leave a comment, and do well to subscribe. If you're a welcoming subscriber, thank you for coming back, and let's get into the topic of the day. I'm bringing you 5 different sites that will pay you to test their websites, to test their apps, and different things, and you get paid every hour from the easiest ones to the ones that will pay you bountifully. So make sure to stick around, because the last 2, the 4th and the 5th ones, are the ones that are going to be paying you huge sum of money for testing their website. So let's get straight into it with the first one. The first one is called Usercrowd. So just go ahead, go to usercrowd.com. I'm going to be showing Usercrowd, and 1 minute. This is how do I get paid to test. How much do I earn? You can earn from 20 cents to $1 per minute of every test, meaning you can actually earn $1 for every test per minute. So they pay you per minute, not like an hour or 15 minutes. So for every test, and once you reach a threshold of $10, you can easily get paid. This is it. When you get to 10 USD, you can easily get paid through PayPal, through your PayPal address. So they do have only PayPal payment methods. Make sure you have a PayPal. Then when you come down here, you have related articles. You make sure you click on the testing rules. You make sure you read the rules, so you don't get to do a particular task and you don't get paid, and you start complaining and saying, why did I not get paid? You make sure to read the testing rules and make sure to comply with the testing rules in order for you to get paid. In order to participate, you must be at least 18 years of age. So endeavor to read the testing rules. And if you have any further questions, you can come here. Rules for participating. How can I get more tests? How do I get paid? So all these ones, you see them on the website. You just go to usercrowd.com. That is the first website, usercrowd.com. You can actually get paid from 20 cents to $1 per minute. Meaning if you're somebody that is like bent on doing this thing and taking it serious, if you can do like 10 tests that cost $1 for every minute, you can actually make $10 for 10 minutes. And if you go ahead and do it for like an hour, that's $100 for an hour, which you cannot get randomly. So I think it's actually a good site. So let's get straight into the next one. The second one we'll be talking about is called UserSense. Usersense.com. You come to usersense.com, sign up as a tester, and help to improve digital products. So on UserSense, you're not only testing websites, you're testing apps. You're testing different apps, different websites, different digital products or services. On UserSense, you get to earn from 15 euros, to €100. And they do have over 50,000 testers already that have signed up on the website. And they do have partners such as JBL, Vision Express, and so on. You have a flexibility, like it's a full-time thing. You can get testing at any time. You can get paid into your bank account, like directly into your bank account with no third party. And when you come further, you see that they do have questions. If you have any questions about the site, you just get here. Do I have to pay to sign up? Nope. I think you don't have to pay to sign up to the site. If anybody's telling you that you need to pay, it's a lie. You don't have to pay. We pay a minimum. They do pay a minimum of 15 euros per session, meaning if you are doing like 5 sessions a day, that's a lot of money that you can make in, I don't know, in a day. Or maybe if you're doing like 10 sessions a day. How and when do I get paid? You get paid within 2 business days after completing a session. All payments are made via bank transfer, which means you have to provide your IBAN to us. So it's not something that you have to wait till the month end. You have to wait for a long time before they'll pay you. You get paid every 2 business days. Immediately you finish giving test. So This site is one that many people don't know of, and make use of it. Look at the different partners that they do have, that they do work with. Vision Express, JBL, Valantic, and so on. So that is the second site, usersense.com. The third site that we'll be talking about is actually one that is really not popular too. And I discovered it some time ago, and I decided that okay, why not try it? Why not bring it here and show you guys? The third site is called Userbrain. Userbrain. I feel like all these testing sites, they just try to use the same domain names or something. I don't know what's wrong with them. User. And so that's, by the way, that's just a joke. Userbrain. You come to userbrain.com. Make money testing website from home. How does it work? Sign up or download the app from your Google Chrome or Android to start testing, or your iOS device. So they do have an app that you can download. If you don't want to do it from your laptop or your web browser, you just need to go to the Play Store or your Google, your App Store or your Google Play Store, and you download the app. Speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 20 minutes. Receive new tests and get paid $5 per test. So Userbrain actually pays well more than Usercrowd. Userbrain pays $5 per every test that you take. So you're going to get paid $5 for every test. What happens after apply? You'll be asked to record a qualification test. So with Userbrain, you need to qualify. They need to accept you in order for you to become a tester. How much will I get paid? You earn exactly $5 for every 5 to 20 minute test that is approved. So you can actually come on here, watch an example. Make sure you watch an example video so you don't make errors and you don't get paid. So when you come on the site, you make sure you follow the rules. You sign up, you follow the rules, you watch the video of how to be a tester, and you start making money from the site. So actually, from the three sites that we've discussed, the second and the third one are actually good. Okay, let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is actually one that I discovered recently and I like it so much. The fourth site we'll be talking about is called PlaybookUX.com. PlaybookUX.com. So when you come to PlaybookUX.com, you click on Become a Tester. Become a Tester. When you click on Become a Tester, how does it work? You can watch. They do have a video for you to watch that you can watch, and they get to explain everything for you to know. This is, you sign up, you complete practical tests, you take it. After successful, you get paid through PayPal. How much will I get paid? You see, yeah, you get paid $10 for a 10 to 20 minute session. You get paid $30 for a 30-minute session. You get paid $60 for a 60-minute session, $90 for a 90-minute session, $2 per cat sort, $2 per free test. So they do have different tests that you can do. So imagine getting paid $90 for a 90-minute session. 90 minutes, that should be an hour, 30 minutes. So you're making, for an hour, you're making $60 per hour. Let's just imagine you do a test for like 2 hours. That'll be like $100 and something for 2 hours. And let's just imagine you get different tests every day. In a day, you get like maybe a couple of different tests in a day, and you do like 5 hours. Just imagine how much you'll be getting from the sites. So I think this is one of the most lucrative sites, testing website that I've come across, and it's very nice. So grab this opportunity before most of these testing websites, sometimes they'll tell you they're fully booked. So make sure you grab this opportunity now and start getting paid. And they do have partners such as Google, Uber, Lush, Square, Ford. Like, your partners are well-branded companies. So you'll be testing sites from all these companies, all these Google, Uber, NBA, all these big brands that you're seeing here. So just come to PlaybookUX.com and become a tester. That is the fourth website. Before we go to the final website, if you like this content, if you like what I'm bringing to you, just give me a like, just give me a subscribe, just subscribe, just ask your questions. And if you want more websites like this, just leave your comments, leave them in the comment section. Whatever thing that you think you need to ask me, leave them in the comment section. And if you want more testing websites like this, write in the comments that test, and I'm going to do another video of different websites for you guys. So let's go to the final and website, which is called Userfeel. Userfeel, actually, it's a website that many people don't know, and I've seen different people talk about it a lot. So you just come to userfeel.com, tester training and frequently asked questions. If you come here, userfeel.com, you see they do have a training that they have to give you to become a tester. Become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. So with Userfeel, you get to earn $3 to $30. Each test takes about 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. You can see you can earn $10 for a 20-minute test. So you get to earn $10 for every 20 minutes test that you take. And if you have any questions, about the site, you just come tester fact. You just come down here, you click on it. You can watch this video. Yeah, what equipment do I need? In order to test website, you need to have a Windows, my mobile phone, or Windows 10, whatever, your phone, your laptop, whatever thing that you have. That is just what it takes. Should I use my real name? No. They say you don't need to use your real name. You can use fake details. So they don't need your legal name. They don't need anything legal from you. You can use fake details, fake address. Never use real credit card details, home address, or security numbers or phone numbers. As for email, since some services require authentication based on it, you may create an email address just for the test. So actually, they're advising you that you should not use anything of your address, because definitely the websites you might be testing are, some of them, I feel like they're trying to protect you, and that's a very good thing. Because I was going to say this, when you're trying to test, work on all these websites, make sure not to use your personal informations, like your personal email address, your personal details like your name, your date of birth, whatever, your bank details. You might actually use your bank detail maybe for a paper address. That doesn't have an issue. Don't use things that are very personal to you, because there are so many hackers on all the sites that might want to get into your personal details and leak them. So make sure, if you have only your personal email address, make sure to create a fake email address, an address that you'll be using only for this particular task, only for the particular remote job. Make sure to create an email only for this kind of jobs that you'll be using. And make sure not to use your personal email address or your personal phone numbers. You can actually buy, if they're asking you for a number, you can actually buy a number online from different websites. There are websites that you can go on them and buy a number and get to fill your information. What language should you speak? You can speak any language, English, whatever. It depends. I feel like it depends on your IP address sometimes. If your IP address shows that you're in Germany or you're in the US, they'll show you English language. If your IP address shows you are in maybe somewhere that they speak Spanish, they're going to show you Spanish. Or maybe you can just use Google Translate and translate them. So that's it. Okay, from the 5 websites that I've given you, I feel like the most easiest one that you can get varieties, numerous amounts of tests to do, is Usercrowd. And for the ones that pay the most, I'm going to say the ones that pay the most will be UserSense, because they start paying you from $15 to 100, from 15 euros to 100 euros. So UserSense pays well. PlaybookUX pays well, because they pay you $20 20 minutes, $60 60 minutes. Then Userfeel. So I feel like these 3 sites are the best ones if you're considering like the most paid ones. Those are the best ones that you can think of: Userfeel, UserSense, and PlaybookUX. So you guys, that's the end of our video for today, and Thank you all for joining. Don't forget to show some love, because definitely I'm doing this with all the love in my heart, and I would really appreciate you guys if you leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for joining, and see you in our next video. Ciao ciao.